friends, welcome back to this YouTube channel Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you through how to set up our VPN application Golden Max UDP VPN. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. Don't forget to share, to like, and that is it all. Let us start up our tutorial. It will be working on both Android, Windows, and iPhone. So let us start up our tutorial by opening Google Play Store. Then once you open the Google Play Store, this is what we're going to be doing. In your search bar, and in your search bar, just type in Golden, as in a mineral, Golden Max UDP. Then search. And once you search, you're going to be seeing this VPN. And once you see this VPN, just take note of the app icon, app name, and also the developer's name, Golden Group Limited. That is it. And after, install this application on your Android device, and then after installing, open. Now keep in mind that our tutorial is for research, demonstration, informational purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. So once you open this application on your phone, you're going to do this. This guide is a step-by-step guide. So even if you have never set up such applications, you are in the right place, and this tutorial is right for you. So just follow up with my procedures, my steps you will enjoy. Allow all permissions that will be requested to you by this application, and then you also be requested to join the Telegram channel. Just join the Telegram channel to keep up with the important updates. And then after, we're going to where you see updates right there. Make sure you update the servers before doing anything, and then you must be seeing this message that there is no update available. So once you don't see that message, keep tapping the update button until you are updated to the latest version. Now we're going to be checking our next step, and in our next step we're going to be selecting the servers by checking where you have the auto select server. Once you check where you have auto select server, you're going to see these servers. There are 6 servers. As you see, there are 6, but some of these servers are, let me show you, some of these servers, they are OpenVPN servers, as you see, and the last one is the UDP server. So we're going to be setting these servers step by step, but to save our time, I recommend you guys don't just choose these servers, just keep in the auto select server. For it will automatically detect and optimize the server, and it will set it for you so that you can enjoy a fast, secure, and stable internet access on your mobile device. So select the auto select server, and then you're going to come to our last step. Now make sure that your minds are on, your eyes are on, and then your eyes will be on in the coming hours. Now just give me like 5 seconds. I set up this. Check the smart TNT, and then you'll be seeing these servers. You can manually select your country's server, or you can just follow up with my tutorial. You can follow up with my tutorial, and then you're going to be selecting this one, as you see. But you can also select your country's server, it will be working for you. And if you check that one, you're going to come and then press this button, the start button. You're going to accept the connection request, and then after, give it some few seconds to connect. Now what if it fails to connect? You're going to be troubleshooting in this case like this. This is the UDP VIP server. It may work in your country, and if it doesn't work, you can select your country's server. For example, let me try to show you something right here. Let me try to select a server from a country country right here. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial with your friend. And in case of any problem, the comment section is open for us to comment. Let me show you a server we're going to be connecting to. Let me show you. We have something right here. Once you scroll, you're going to be seeing this. Then after, you can select your country server, but this is the best so far. You can tap in the start, give it some few seconds to connect. Make sure that, why isn't it connecting? Index 1 and size that one. Connect to the country server right now, because maybe the servers are now full. Let me try to choose Uganda. As you see, this one, it will connect successfully on our device. Now if it fails to connect, you're going to enable airplane mode and then disable it, and then you can try to clear the app data, and then the app, you can also try to clear the app, okay, and then remove the app from recent. That is it. Try to reconnect until it establishes a fast, stable and secure connection on your phone. Alright, that is it, and you can meet in the next tutorial. You can connect to your country server. That is it. Let us meet in our next tutorial, and I sign out.